Welcome to Quack the Code Tech Tips, your ultimate guide to cracking the code of online learning at College of the Mainland. In each video, we'll bring you insightful tips and tricks to help you navigate the digital world and make the most of your educational experience. So let's get quacking and uncover the secrets to tech-savvy success. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to install LockDown browser on your computer. First, access the course where your LockDown browser test is located. Click on Quizzes in the course navigation bar. Click on the quiz requiring LockDown browser. Scroll down past the instructions and click the Download and Install LockDown browser link. A Respondus page will open in a separate tab. This page provides an orientation video, an option to choose a Mac version, and the Download button. Click the Download button to begin downloading the installation file. You will see the file's progress in your browser's download tray. If you lose track of the download tray, check your computer's download folder. When the download is complete, double-click on it to start the installation process. The first prompt you will see is the User Access window. Click Yes to allow Respondus to make changes to your computer. Next, accept the default English language option by clicking Next. The installation progress is displayed in green. In the following window, select the License Agreement option and click Next. When the setup is complete, click Finish. You can close the Respondus tab and return to the quiz in D2L. This time, you will click the Launch LockDown browser link at the bottom of the quiz. The two conflicting messages in the LockDown browser status pop-up is confusing. Don't worry if it disappears before you click Done. It will pop up again after you submit your quiz. The User Control Access box will appear again. Click Yes to allow Respondus to make changes to your computer. You may receive several requests to close open applications on your computer. Click the Close Application and Continue button for each pop-up until you see the quiz loading animation. You can now complete your quiz. Upon submission, you will see the quiz submission window and your attempt score. Click on the X to close the window. Continue closing the remaining exit options. Congratulations, you are all done.